Hello and welcome Roast Egg Info. Hope you're having a wonderful day. In this video detailing about website quality assurance, how IQA my website for maximum impact. So before you start my video, please subscribe my channel. Website quality assurance, how IQA my website for maximum impact. Before I became a software developer, I naively assumed that coding was the only skill required to build applications. I believe programmers will simply code the applications and then launch their products to users. Once I got behind the scenes thoughts, I realized how effective each process in the development life cycles with 47% of visitors expeding page and load times under 2 seconds. Web well tested application is essential for success. Neglecting website quality assurance can lead to significant time, energy, and financial losses. Free resources, website optimizations, checklist download now. That's where the website quality assurance comes into play. In the post, I explained the assurance of quality assurance QA, provide a practical checklist and share insight from industry expert. Table of content. What is website quality assurance QA? Why is website QAing important? Website QA benefits. Website QA testing versus using testing. User testing. Website quality assurance checklist. Website QA testing tool. Website testing my website. What is website quality assurance QA? Website quality assurance QA involves double checking whether a website works as extended across multiple platforms and devices. This process involves applying specific techniques and completing certain tasks that test a website functionality and ensure quality. I asked Brian Robinson in 13th year QA engineer to explain quality assurance. He said quality assurance is an essential function is building your app. We ensure that the $1 billion ideas is not that is arrival by the time is the customer's hand. Quality assurance cover many areas such as features verifications, button functionality, data validations, error handlings, aids Robinson's talking about robustness testing is essential. Identify and rectify issues that the could hinder users experience this like broken like slow loading times or compatibility problems across different devices and browsers. When I am testing an app, said Robinson, is very important to me that the software function as standard in the requirements and perform as intended under various conditions. A well-tested website enhances user satisfaction and build trust and credibility, which are vital for customers' retention and brand loyalty. While most organizations redesign nodes, a QA engineer to oversee the site assurance process. Various rules of including softwares developments into business analytics, UI development, design, and projects managers are typically involved in achieving the optimal website quality. Why is website QAing important? As a developer, QAing assurance testing is essential for delivering a user-friendly experience. Imagine purchasing a car without knowing if it's safe or reliable. I don't know about you, but this would not sit well with me. The same goes for softwares. I reach out to Eutychus Tombo, a Java developer at Deloitte who has often been responsible for both developments and QA testing in his previous roles. And he details the difference in experience working for a company that provides quality assurance testing versus on that did not. When I asked Tombo my website quality assurance is necessary, when he explained that it's not just about catching bugs and about building a solid foundations for everything that comes next. When I worked at Carvana, thoughts testing meant smooth customers experience, minimal downtimes, and much less developers stress. We could focus on creating instead of constantly fixing. When businesses don't focus on quality assurance or have a structured testing plan, combo is can be lead to technical debt, planning up frequently, maintenance hitches, outage, and frustrated users. In contrast, Tombow said the good QA ensures customers reliable, make life easier for developers and save businesses money. In the long run, when done right, it's a win for everyone's involved. Website QA benefits: increased website traffic. Being that search engines SEO traffic prioritize, optimize, and accessible website, proper QA testing can help your website rank higher in search engine results, driving more authentic traffic. 18.9% America's population has the disability to ensure your website passes accessibility testing. Thoughts QA analysis can lead to positive conversions, reduce development cost. Identifying and fixing budgets early in the development process is significantly cheaper than doing so. Let's QL help catch issues before they become significant problems. AMC right talk about how catching a bugs during the QA process can take about 5 hours of fix. However, catching and later stages can take an estimated 40 hours of fix. You multiply this numbers by a developer's early operates and see how constantly avoiding quality assurance can be. Stellar brands' reputations. A website with frequently errors with the crashes can damage your brand's reputations. Quality assurance help maintain professionals at Reliance maintain online preferences about online the recent CrowdStrike controversy. This brands look massive blow due to the outage in July 2024. Improved conversion rate. A website that is easy to navigate the error and error free can lead to higher conversion rate. Whether it's making to purchase, signing up for a newsletter, for contacting customers supports, increase customer satisfaction. A well-functioning website that's meet users' expectations leads and higher customer satisfaction and loyalty. This undoubtedly will lead to higher retention rate. Quality QA testing versus user testing. I like to use the analogy of new home constructions to differentiate QA testing and user testing. The home expected QA engineers because more than home structures, plugins, and electrical writings. The M ensures the house of functional, built according to the blueprints and meet their local coding standard. On the other hand, the buyer user's experience depends on whether the structure is sound. The aim to assess and determine if your house meet their needs, preferences, and the comfortable and functional for their lifestyle. Their potential buyers evaluate the house layout, room size, lighting, and overall aesthetics. This is very similar to QA and user testing. Tombow say QA testing cover all types of test users units and investigate test and the end of a and test ensuring the products or service. User meets specified requirements and functions, assess the products usability and user satisfactions. Both are important and both are optimal user-friendly website. However, their focus different. The QA testing is typically done before the website that features the sleep and encompasses testing things like if click to button, resources specific features and component payments process correctly. User testing is done often and QA testing by involves a users being observed while they complete real world tasks on their side. By analyzing their performance and feedback, teams can identify grades, areas of improvement and investment, the product's usability. Chosen between QA testing and user testing depends on the scope and business needs and available resources. Explained Tombo. If you want to explore how your users and interact with your site, it's like this articles that suggest 10 usable testing tools to make your life easier. Website quality assurance checklist. UI testing. UI testing, also known as user interface testing, focus on the part of an application the user interface with it ensures the UI intuitive and aesthetically pleasing and function correctly. A well-designed UI can dramatically improve user experience and increase user satisfaction and engagements. How I said check for consistent brand and designs elements, variety, font size, color and space test load time ensures image and check for responsive time and different device and screen time. Content audit. Conducting a content audit involves reviewing a website content for accuracy, relevance, and consistency. This goal is to ensure the content is compelling and appropriate, convey and message to connect with your target audience and ensure the your content is high quality. Can also improve SEO and other and your users engagement. How I use check for spelling and grammar errors, verify content is for a date and is relevant, ensure content is consistent with the brand's voice and tone, assess content for SEO optimizations. Functional testing. Functional testing is to verify what each function of applications work essentially. This guarantees that the applications meet the specific requirements and perform as intended. This types of pupils is important because a broken heart pattern of link can lead to a new frustration and lost conversions. Click thoughts all links buttons. Text search functionality. Verify forms and submit it correctly. Verify and check out the process. Test users registrations and login. Ensures errors message and clear and helpful. Website security. Website security involves assembly a user's website vulnerabilities and implementing measures. The projects in from cyber threats and includes testing the from vulnerabilities like SQL injections and brute face attack. The secure website projects sensitive user data, maintenance trust and prevent financial loss. A compromised website can lead data approaches, reputation damage and legal consequences. How I test. Check for PSSL certification, check for vulnerabilities like SQL injections and SQL scripting XSS. Verify strong password policies, ensures regular security updates. Pro tips. Considering using CMS centers, website monitoring you. HTML and the several methods, but the most useful of get the post entire the data USA. Document the essentials, the brand pricing, their teams and the totals, domains, next the entire let's go. Catch the errors before they happens and UI in facts, pricings and Microsoft reliables and specific realities and assets and from web prompts stores. And I had to setting select I navigate to my web page. Pro tip the ultimate storage and module leads activates GIF fellow and see them actions. be sure the application testing essential for applicants. While I have the experience with testing and the developers, the testing and developer, the unique perspective of QA engineers, while with both use tools like BrowseCheck or approaches and priorities differ, the but ultimately testing is essential for protecting the investments and ensuring the long-term success. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you on next video. Take care. Bye.